Second class English, our faith. Murali, second class.
Our fair. Yesterday there was a fair in Mangapuram. People came there from faraway places. There were many shops and stalls. People were buying and selling things. There were shops selling seeds, straws and toys. Children bought toys from the shops. They went for a ride on the merry-go-round. Some children went on the game wheel. They sat on seats attached to the wheel. As the game wheel turned, some children shouted in joy and others in fear. There were camel rides and elephant rides and horse rides too. People had a good time. They returned home after sunset.
Very good. Next lesson. Go. My topic card.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The horn and the bus goes beep beep beep, beep beep beep, beep beep beep. The horn and the bus goes beep beep beep, all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut all through the town. The driver on the bus says, move one back, move one back, move one back. The driver on the bus says, move one back all through the town.
Next the talking card. Read. Come on, sit.
Once upon a time, there was a kid called Sujay. He had a toy car. He used to take it with him everywhere. It was his favorite toy. One day he was playing with his car at home. Suddenly he heard a voice, "Don't throw me so hard, I might break." Sujay looked around. Nobody was in the room. He was alone. "Here, it's me. Don't you see me? I am down here," said the voice.
Very good. Murli kada chapati uttandi. Very good.